Let's go collect eggs.
Remember last time I had to crawl under the roost and pick the dirty eggs out of the shavings? Silly chickens used to lay eggs in the poop tray. I'd find eggs under the roost, outside. It was like a scavenger hunt each time. And so many eggs were dirty, and dirty eggs are not sellable or even hatchable. They all had to be washed and stored in the fridge. That was okay, but if I wanted to hatch chicks, I couldn't use those eggs. Profits were going down the drain.
It took me about 2 hours to put this together after unboxing. The directions were very clear, and all of everything that I needed, all the hardware, and there was little tools with it as well. And I put it together myself, okay? So if I can do this, you can do this too. And then you just put a few screws in the wall and you hang it on the wall. We had it a little bit higher and our hens were going underneath where it was darker and laying underneath the nesting box, which was really frustrating. So we lowered it down. So now they are happily going on both levels of the nesting box and laying their eggs. So we're very happy with this. If you're looking for a new nesting box for your chickens in your chicken coop, this is a great one to take a look at. Even the fancy rollaway nesting box needed chicken approval. We've been using this nesting box for a few months now. It was easy to put together, and we have a working farm. So we've got hens in and out all the time. There's dust and everything. They have actually put their own hay in the nesting box and made it their own little home. So the rollaway works great. They prefer the nesting hay, and that's fine too. So you can use this either way. These flip up for collecting eggs in the rollaway, or you can just reach right in where your hen is and grab your egg. Homemade nesting boxes and things, and they were really hard to clean. So when we got the opportunity to grab one of these rollaways, the great thing about it was the tray just comes right out. So you can take this right out, dump it, get any manures or anything out of it, and wash it off and put it back in. And it clicks into place. Okay, so this one features 4 on top, 4 on the bottom. It is all made out of non-rusting metal like aluminum. It's nicely powder coated top, and the plastic trays are super easy to use. You can just reach right in and grab your eggs. We've got quite a few. I have not collected eggs yet today. Like I said, our chickens prefer the hay in there, so the rollaway feature is not being used too much right now, but it's there if we need it. If we're having an egg eater and that's becoming a problem and we need those eggs being brought to out of sight and out of mind for.
Here I am showing you how the rollaway tray works. The chicken lays the egg, and before she can turn around and eat it or step on it, the egg rolls under the red lid.
Not too bad, hey? Nice, clean eggs come out of this style of nesting box. After a nesting box clean out, I've got a pile of hay and some shavings there, so I'm gonna put some treats in that area for the chickens to scratch through and clean up and just make it look nice.
Meanwhile, the hens are over here acting like I just threw them the world's fanciest salad bar. Clean nesting boxes for me, snack party for them. Farm math at its finest.